In daily work, we often set goals for a specific period, such as month, quarter, year, etc., and then measure if the goals have been hit based on the actual completion, for comparing the actual values against the targets, and displaying the difference at a glance. The actual versus target chart is your best choice. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to show how to create an actual versus target chart to compare the actual values against the predefined targets in Excel. Supposing you have a range of following data to create an actual versus target chart based on. Select the whole table data, and then click Insert. Then Insert Column or Bar Chart, and select Clustered Column Chart. Right-click the actual series. In this case, they are the orange columns, and then select Format Data Series from the right-clicking menu. Then the Format Data Series pane is displayed on the right side of Excel. You need to configure as follows. Select the Secondary Axis option under the Series Options tab. Increase the percentage of the gap width until the actual series column looks thinner than the target series column. Remove the secondary axis from the chart. Then you can adjust the other elements of the chart, such as change the chart title, change the fill color of the series column, now an actual versus target chart is finished. In this case, the target values are displayed as columns. Next method is going to show you how to create an actual versus target chart and display the target values as lines. Take the same table data as an example. Select the whole table data, and then click Insert. Then insert Column or Bar Chart. A clustered column chart is created. Right-click the target series. Here are the blue columns. And then click Change Series Chart Type from the context menu. In the Change Chart Type dialog box, specify the line with marker option from the drop-down list in the target row. And then click OK to save the changes. Now the chart is displayed as the below screenshot shown. Right-click the target series and select Format Data Series from the right-clicking menu. In the popping up Format Data Series pane, please configure as follows. 1. Go to the Fill in Line tab. 2. Select No Line in the Line section. 3. Click the Marker tab. 4. Expand the marker options. 5. Check the built-in option, choose a line from the Type drop-down, and specify a size number. The chart is Display Now. Then you can adjust the other elements of the chart, such as change the chart title, now an actual versus target chart is created in Excel, and the target values are displayed as lines. Lastly, format both chart areas. So here it's all done. These charts are very helpful to present data in meetings for decision making. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel, The Center of Best Learnings.